And they leave the stalls. From the 1900-meter marker, Makachev began well along the inside. Richard the Fearless is pressing on now for that lead. That's in the blue and white checks. One Scotch is on the rail. Makachev between runners. Anatolian Silver's out wider. Then came Pay Night, Silvano's Song, Downing 7 further back. Then came Vos Vota, and Winter Emerald is the trailer, racing about 8-9 lengths off the leader as they make their way towards the final 1400 meters. And One Scotch has found the lead and goes about a length clear of, in second, Richard the Fearless on its outside. 2 lengths away, Makachev races back in third, then about a length back to Anatolian Silver on the outside of Pay Night, who's about 3 parts of the way back. They followed then by Silvano's Song, 2 lengths away. Downing 7 races in the yellow colours, about 8-9 lengths off the leader. Then came Vos Vota and Winter Emeralds, the trailer, by around 10 lengths, 1,000 metres to go. Out in front is One Scotch, but Richard the Fearless tries to put a bit more speed in the race and just shadows it now. One Scotch sits up in second. Then came Makachev in third. On the outside is Anatolian Silver. That's in fourth spot, 5 lengths off the leaders. Richard the Fearless now starts to get away. Further back in the field is Pay Night. Silvano's Song, Downing 7 is third to last. Then came Vos Vota, and Winter Emerald's going to come from the back. Got about 12 or 13 to make up. Richard the Fearless with 400 to go is clear by 7 lengths to One Scotch. Towards the outside, Anatolian Silver, then Pay Night further back, Downing 7, Richard the Fearless, 250 to go, still 7 lengths clear. Anatolian Silver tries to run on the outside, then One Scotch and Pay Night. Richard the Fearless with 150 to go, still 6 lengths clear of Anatolian Silver. Richard the Fearless goes on strongly, a good win and a good ride by Bhavish Suru. Won it by 7, second, Downing 7, Anatolian Silver third, Makachev, Pay Night were in behind those. While they were chasing shadows, certainly those guys behind him. Richard the Fearless, 7 lengths clear at the 150. Anatolian Silver was the nearest danger. And then Downing 7 running on, and further back in the field was Makachev. But it will go the way of Richard the Fearless, second to Downing 7. And then came the 6, Anatolian Silver, and the 4, Makachev in fourth. 9864 the numbers for race 5. No, that TCO2 for race 6 is all clear.
Welcome back, and Zitzman the Fearless is in the winner's box this afternoon. Trained by Richard, shall I say. Just swinging it around there a little bit, but yeah, well done to Richard the Fearless from the Zitzman Oosthuizen stable. We know that Zitz comes to the races with a plan, and 9 times out of the 10 it is just go to the front and go. I see Zitz in the far corner weighing himself there. He'll give us his official weight now as well. But in the meantime, I've got Botti. Botti's collecting the 1,500 Rand. It's going to Lucky. Well done, Lucky. You were really lucky today, so well done. Thanks, Botti. Let's get Bhavish Suru in the winner's box, and I'm sure Girish took it in Mauritius with the family. Are all watching today. Yes, he rode it last time out, and this horse has done really well. You know, he's in his last 5 starts, he's won 3. So to Sturgio as well as George Chrysikos, you've got a horse here that's won 3 out of his last 5 starts, and both Nadine and I were sitting there saying, Neil, this is a good horse. This is going to win a couple more. Very well done. I know what the instructions were, as per usual, but you carried it out perfectly, and you deserve a win. Well done.
Thank you so much, sir. Yes, Mr. Desmond told me jump and sit, and the 600, keep going, go forward, and I learn, and when the 600, I jump and go, and the horse is lovely, the machine, and I want to say, Mr. Desmond, thank you so much to give me the opportunity, the chance. And thank you so much to my riding master, Mr. Agrela, and all my riding master and the South Africa Academy jockey. And I want to say, Mr. Skydom, thank you so much. He helped me a lot, and my family in Mauritius. And thank you so much.
And Girish is watching.
And Girish do good in Mauritius. Next week is coming, but thank you, Girish.
Okay, well done. Well done. Nice to have him in the winner's box as well. Well, here is Zitzman the Fearless. He's coming into the winner's box for the 2nd time this afternoon. Irrespective of price, they've always got a chance to dance. His horses come to the races extremely fit. And, yep, in the winner's box. Richard, the Fearless for us, we were saying now, Zitz, Diepherd Canard Club. This is a horse that's got ability. It stays all day and game and gutsy, and it's going to win a couple for really, really good owners.
No, brilliant win. Stergy, Georgie, my mats, well done. Sudu, perfect ride, wrote instructions. Had one Scotch, we want to try further. Instruction was one Scotch to go forward. Richard liked to tag along, otherwise he can be a tear away. But if you have something just to follow or to sit with, he will stay all day. The 3,200 won't be a problem for him. And no, brilliant win for Stergio. It's said to George just now, you know, George have the most expensive horse. He have a share in is a 45,000 rand horse in the stable. He had 15 winners for the last 12 months. Brilliant, Georgie. Stergio, well done. Sudu, Ducat, there in Mauritius. You're missing out, Sonny. Well done, boys.
All right, stay there, but don't go away. So just to touch on George, I'm sure you're watching, and I also say you've got a lot more luck with owning horses than you did have when you were playing soccer against me many years ago. So he's doing better.
Yeah.
As a racehorse owner.
No, listen, he's the luckiest owner I've ever seen in my life. You understand? So no, he's an awesome guy. He's a great friend, and they deserve all the success. Want to dedicate this to Cabos van Staden, one of the owners in the stable, one of the biggest owners in the stable. They have a tragedy in the family today. We're thinking of you, we're praying for you, and want to dedicate this win to Fred.
Well, Fred, Cobus' father, and that's for the straight line guys out there as well. Cabos is part of the straight line group. They've got Dowser a little bit later as well. And Cabos, as you know, we are thinking of you in this difficult time. So condolences from everybody in racing. Richard the Fearless wins for Zitzman Oosthuizen.